Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Now we have some very important breaking news coming in straight from Maharashtra, and it is about Ajit Pawar and Sanjay Pawar meeting. Now Sanjay Raut actually expressed his concern over Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar meeting in Mumbai. Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray's leader Sanjay Raut actually said, and I quote, that there was a discussion about the rumours being spread after Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar actually met. These rumours are concerning and we will talk about it to Sharad Pawar. Now Sharad Pawar after that clarified on the meeting and said that he has said he met his nephew as the elder of the family. He has also hinted that certain people close to him are trying to convince him to support BJP, but that there was no question of doing so. While Jayant Patil, who was also present at the bungalow, said he did not know what transpired between the uncle and the nephew. Shinde Group Minister Gulab Rao Patil called it ILU between the two Samna and the Samna, which is the mouthpiece of Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray, on Ajit Pawar, said that Sharad Pawar met, and other speculations in Maharashtra politics about leadership change. Also, Nana Patole met Uddhav Thackeray yesterday. The growing buzz within MVA is that Pawar should clarify Nana Patole. There was a discussion on the misunderstanding that is being spread about Sharad Pawar, and we have not discussed this with Sharad Pawar yet. Sanjay Raut will talk to him. Now we have some reactions coming in on the same. Let's listen in.
माननीय आदरणीय शरद पवार जी और अजीत पवार जी के मीटिंग के बाद वो जो एक भ्रम पैदा हुआ है, लोगों में बहुत सी शंका कुशंकाएं हैं, वो हमें चिंतित करती है। इस बारे में हमारी चर्चा हुई और ये जल्दी से जल्दी उस बारे में ये भ्रम जो है वो खत्म होना चाहिए। इस पर हम सबका एकमत हुआ है। जल्दी ही हम इस बारे में श्री शरद पवार जी से बात करेंगे।
हमने बोला ना, हमको चिंता है इस विषय का, क्योंकि जनता में यह संभ्रम आ रहा है और इसके बारे में एक स्पष्टता हो, ये भी हम लोगों की चर्चा हुई और इस बारे में थोड़े ही दिन में ये बात स्पष्ट करने की भूमिका हम सामने रखेंगे।
पवार साहब से कोई बात हुई है आपकी? उसके बाद
अभी पवार साहब से अभी इस विषय में कोई बात नहीं हुई है। संजय राउत जी उनसे बात करने वाले हैं और वो भी आपको इस विषय में चर्चा करेंगे।
But to give us more detail about that political situation in Maharashtra, currently I have CNN News 18's Vinay Deshpande joining me live on the broadcast. Vinay, a very good morning to you. Could you give us more details about what exactly transpired there and what are the speculations emerging out of that meeting between Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar?
Well, Sakshi, definitely that meeting that took place between Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar on Saturday at a private industrialist bungalow in Pune has set tongues wagging in the political circles, especially after several such speculations have been doing rounds in the last few days in the politics of Maharashtra. In fact, it was the Shiv Sena UBT which has consistently been red flagging the issue. We saw that just 3 to 4 days ago, Ambadas Danve, who is a senior Shiv Sena UBT leader, said that it was time that the NCP should clarify its stance because it was creating confusion among the cadres. And now, especially after the meeting, we have seen that there is a lot of confusion, and that is why yesterday Nana Patole, who is the Maharashtra Congress president, met with Uddhav Thackeray. The mood for the meeting was also, in some place. We saw that both Uddhav Thackeray as well as Nana Patole did express some apprehensions about the kind of confusing signals that were being sent out to the people. Sharad Pawar tried to make light of the situation, claiming that it was not a secret meeting, saying that the meeting just did not take place at his place and instead took place at somebody else's place, claiming that he was the elderly of the family and that is why he met Ajit Pawar. So there shouldn't be any problem with respect to that. But clearly at a time when there are several speculations about what stance will Sharad Pawar take, at a time when several senior NCP leaders have already expressed their support to Ajit Pawar and Ajit Pawar has the Deputy Chief Minister's position. We are also seeing Samna, which is the mouthpiece of Shiv Sena UBT, has picked up the same point today, saying that it is all fun that is happening in Maharashtra politics, but we will need to speak with Sharad Pawar to understand what his stance is at the same time, we have seen that Samna draws a parallel with respect to the several. It somehow tries to join the dots. On one hand, it says that Ajit Pawar is meeting Sharad Pawar, and this possibly is a strategy of the BJP to try and spread confusion among the cadres and among the people about the stance of Sharad Pawar. On the other hand, it claims that the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has been falling consistently ill, particularly after Samna claims that Amit Shah came to Pune 4 days ago and secretly held meeting with several top leaders, thereby creating a buzz about change in the political leadership, and that's why Eknath Shinde has been falling ill and he needs treatment. So Samna makes interesting conjectures, really, Sakshi. It joins the dots. It claims that all these things are related, and this allegedly is a plot by the BJP to spread confusion among the cadres and among the people at large. Back to you.
Well, thank